Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So as you might know, I am always coming up with updates and new features and new plugins, and today in this video I will show you the latest update for the Ebayomatic plugin. So it got an update, a major update. It was updated to v2.0, so version 2 of the Ebayomatic plugin just dropped. So yeah, it was using the eBay product feeds which were discontinued. So because of this, in the last period of time, the Ebayomatic plugin was not functioning. So yeah, and because of this, I had to make a major update for the plugin and to make it work again. And today I am happy to announce that the version 2.0 of the plugin just was released. And how I managed to make it work again is that I switched to auctionrequest.com. So this is a website that wants to replace the eBay product feeds, and all you have to do is sign up for their website. They will give you an auction request ID. Copy this string from here in the plugin's auction request ID settings field from here, save settings. And all you have to do is continue on using the plugin from there. So after you fill in the auction request ID settings field, you will be able to set up once again rules in the plugin and to continue using it. However, please note that if you had old rules here in the plugin that were configured for importing, you should delete them and create new ones, because in this major update for the plugin, unfortunately the old rules did not continue to be compatible with the new version of the plugin. So if you had old rules here, if you had the plugin set up, you should delete everything. Posts can remain. So yeah, posts that the plugin imported can remain. They will still be okay. However, the configuration of the search to post plugin menu should be redone. So yeah, after this is redone, you can go ahead and go to settings and be sure to have your eBay campaign ID set. Select the default eBay target country and the auction request ID. That can be, it is a free ID. After you sign up to this site, you will get it here. So please note that they, here on the auction request website, they have indeed a membership, but you don't need to sign up for their membership, because the plugin will work also with the free version of their membership site. So they offer a premium and a free version. So you should go with the free version because it will work for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and check how things work with the new version of the plugin. So let me import some posts, free laptop related posts. Let's check our site first. It should be only with some test posts, and let's run importing. So now the plugin gets the feeds from the auction request website, and it will import the products using this website, and also it will crawl the eBay products for full content. So what it does, it imports the feed and crawls the products for their full content. So this is how the imported content looks. As usual, the plugin continues to work as before. And also note that if you set here in the Ebayomatic plugin settings, you have set an eBay campaign ID, then the plugin will add your affiliate link. If you look down at the bottom of the screen, you will see that it's an affiliate link. So the plugin will generate automatically your affiliate links for the imported posts. So yeah, after this, all you have to do is continue using the plugin. So yeah, what I want to say here is that you don't need to sign up for the premium membership here, the affiliate option of the plugin will continue to work because the plugin is able to generate its own affiliate links, so it is not relying on the auction request API to get its affiliate links. So because of this, it will work also with the free tier. And yeah, so this is the most part of the new plugin. You can check here in the settings because you will see now also some additional query settings. So with these you can set more fine-tuned queries to that you make to eBay, and go ahead guys and profit of the new plugin version. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you will enjoy the new version 2 of the Ebayomatic plugin, and as always, please subscribe to this channel to get more similar news and updates, and have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.